such good loving just begun. Rainbow lover, I want you. Like the yellow of the sun makes the grass grow green and strong, and the pale blue of the sky, red hot love that makes me high, high, so high. Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be. Our love is strong every day. Rain makes healthy grassy picture plains. I'm glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep. No rocks will ever come between. Swirling ripples of this loving kind. Red and blue make solid brown, earthy natural from the ground. Rainbow colors in the sky, begin to end, it takes us high, so high. Oh, rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be. Oh, rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be. We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up and we'll reside. Appreciate diversity. We'll overcome adversity. We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up, it will reside. Appreciate diversity. We'll overcome adversity. Like the yellow of the sun makes the grass go green and strong, and the pale blue of the sky, red hot love that makes me high, so high. Oh, rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep. Together we will always be. Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colleen. Happy birthday to you.
That history matters.
Very good by a guy called Robin Walker. John Cena!
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's speaker.
Yes, speaker.
Oh, thank you, Mum.
And one could be your dress watch and one could be your everyday watch, isn't it? It's good. Oh, that's nice.
Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey through the ocean deep.
So guys, we've had a brilliant time. We're just about to do the happy birthday thing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colleen. Happy birthday to you. Lovely vegan chocolate cake. What's the verdict, Aqua? Kwasi, what do you think?
Delicious.
Delicious. And now, what do you say? 1,000 delicious. So, guys, it went very well. My cake is nearly finished. I was told the feedback was what? Kwasi? Moist, delicious, exquisite. is it?